it's a constitutional right of every aggregation to freely express their sentiments on any issue. So, as a lawyer myself, I welcome all peaceful assemblies, no? Regardless of political aggregation or regardless of any partisanship of any group. I had to call my chief of police, Colonel Conag, to make sure that the rallies and the general population are protected. I'm so happy that it went well, meaning it was so peaceful. And ang mga tao nakapag-express sa ilang sentiments. Based on my the information that I gathered, dili lang taga Dumaguete ang may-attend. It was all over the province and not even just the province of Negros Oriental, but at nearby Siquijor, southern Cebu, and other parts of the country attended. He cannot be tried in the Philippines because no case was filed against him in the Philippines. Had there been a case filed against him after he stepped down as president, that would have been, for me, given priority over the case sa ICC. So, wala man. So, ang ICC's jurisdiction comes in pag in default of the Philippine government. And ICC, being an international organization, it's a reputable organization that will not give in to any pressure. And I expect that the former president, will be tried. And for me, there's nothing to worry in a sense that he will be treated unfairly. He will be tried. He has good lawyers. And hopefully he can weather the storm and come out victorious in this case. Okay, bringing him home. If he comes home, mas maayong for me, mas maayong ma-resolve na. I mean, I hope that it will be resolved favorably for the former president. And when he comes back big victorious, not just on technicality.